This has been placed in my heart to share about this book, Every Moment Holy. Such a powerful book, and a book that I have anchored to as I've been in this new chapter, in this new home with my husband. I started off with this prayer, this eulogy, and it's called The First Awakening. So, just like so many of us, I have resistance. There's times I don't want to do anything. I'm lazy, and I identify with that. But remember that God is not time. God is in the moment. Everything that you do in the moment activates pure spirit. Before you know it, you're not the one cleaning your room. It's God. Let's get to work. So I had been stacking up these bags in this room for days. Remember, guys, God does not need your energy. He just needs you to allow yourself to be used. As you can see, I have a ton of clothes that I need to put in order. Usually this gives me anxiety, and it does, but this is how I know that I am not in alignment with God and His project for me. So I speak authority over my anxiety, and this is how I loosen up and move all of that stress to allow God to rest within me. And this is how I activate myself in being used. So I am just praying over everything to set my intention, to allow God to know that I want to be in alignment. I just want to receive. And I just want to serve. So you can play some music to, get you in the mood. Here I started to feel an overwhelmingly gratitude, if that makes any sense. So I started praying and giving my thanksgiving for everything that I have. I prayed for this. And my repentance for not stewing well over it. I received all of this. And I didn't always take care of it the way that I should have. And so I am repenting and asking for forgiveness. And now my mind feels lighter. And look at my findings, guys. Look, I found a lot of my favorite outfits and shirts. And this one really touched me. My little cousin made this shirt. This is my late mama bear, my aunt/mom, who adopted me, took me in and raised me and gave me all of her love and wisdom. And she's no longer with us, but she is with me through spirit. And I feel her every day. I even dedicated my kitchen to her. And here's another shirt, another sweater. It's never luck, it's always God. And it's very true. It is never luck, it's always God. I pray over everything. Here are just some of my caps. God got me. Simply blessed. And this is true. And I started to feel like I hit the jackpot because I was finding things that I know I needed now. For some of you guys, this may not be a lot. This may seem like very little, but this was really impactful for me. It took me the whole day, but I got it done. But I got it done with the right mind. That's important to know. And that right mind was through prayer that I got from this book. Many of the prayers I got from this book, it literally has prayers for everything. You have to allow God to be your hands, glory be to God. If a sound mind had a picture, this would be what it looks like, for sure. Okay, allow your hands to be used and envision that God is touching each corner, each space, and blessing it and giving its most highest love in each and every corner of it. And I tell you guys, this has been such a huge blessing and a realization for me to realize how important this is to do every single day. Again, friends, you do not have to be perfect, have to have everything ready to allow yourself to be used. Thank you for watching. And this book is not sponsored. It's just something useful. Thanks for watching.